The look and feel of leather with none of the maintenance hassle, the Leatherlite seat cover from FIA is a cut above the rest. If you want that leather look without that leather price tag, these are the covers for you. These innovative Leatherlite simulated leather seat covers from FIA are exceptional and will look great inside your truck, minivan, or SUV. The Leatherlite is beautiful and has an added durability you don't get from real leather. FIA has designed 4 color options: black, gray, blue, and red, so you can match just about any look you have going. The OEM grade leatherette is soft to the touch, and with the additional padding FIA adds to the cover, you will be comfortable on any long trip. These covers will have you sitting on cloud 9, or at least feeling like it. And for those times when you get stuck with your top down, these covers come off with the quick release buckles and you can throw them straight into the wash. Don't let the looks fool you. This high-end looking leatherette is also tough. When you're cruising with the top down, the cover face is water repellent and the cover offers full ultraviolet protection for your seat, so you won't have to worry about the rain or the sun. If you're interested in the Leatherlite seat cover from FIA or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.